Good morning, students. To summarize this lesson, the pop and anthem, I hope first of all you have understood what has been taught to you. अभी तक जो पढ़ाया गया चैप्टर समझ में आ गया होगा आप लोगों को. If you have any problem, just send your problem through WhatsApp or on my number in the evening or at any time. Okay? If there is any problem regarding the understanding of the lesson. So this lesson is written by O. Henry and it is a story about the character Soapy. He is a homeless person, jobless person. He did not have any home, he did not have any job. He did not have any money to spend his life, to sustain himself. अपने आप को जीवित रखने के लिए कुछ पैसा भी नहीं था. He could see the signs which were suggestive of the approaching winter. Now he sees there are certain signs which are showing that winter is about to come. क्या ला रहे थे अब? कुछ सिंबल्स, कुछ साइन ऐसे नज़र आ रहे थे, उससे पता चलता है कि विंटर सीजन आने वाली थी. ना सोपी इज वरीड. सोपी बिल्कुल चिंतित हो गया दैट हाउ एंड वेयर ही इज गोइंग टू स्पेंड हिज विंटर. सो ही रिकॉल्ड द प्लेस. क्या नाम आया उसके दिमाग में? द ब्लैकवेल्स आइलैंड. सो ही डिसाइडेड टू गेट इनटू द प्रिजन. क्या डिसाइड किया उसने? प्रिजन में जाने का. प्रिजन का नाम क्या था? ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड. सो he decided that he should spend the winter time on this island. Apart from this, he wanted to prepare for it. वहाँ पहुँचे, ब्लैकवेल आइलैंड या प्रिजन में पहुँचने के लिए कुछ करना तो पड़ेगा. सो ही थॉट ऑफ हिज फर्स्ट प्लान. पहला प्लान बनाया उसने टू डाइन एट ए रेस्टोरेंट. सबसे पहले कि एक अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट पे खाना खाए. देन ही वुड नॉट पे द बिल एंड द पुलिस वुड अरेस्ट हिम. ओके, बट इट डिड नॉट go as he planned. जैसा उसने सोचा था वैसा कुछ हुआ नहीं. However, looking at his broken shoes and unironed clothes, torn clothes, the guard did not even allow him to enter the restaurant. तो planning fail हो गई उसकी. Since he remained standing there and did not run away, the cop did not believe. अब वो वही खड़ा था. So the cop did not believe that he was the culprit. After that, Soapy tried his initial plan at cheaper restaurant. अब वहाँ से इसको निकाल दिया गया. Then he thought to reach a cheaper restaurant. He thought that he would eat. After having dinner, when he wanted to pay for it, he had no money. अब उसने कुछ पैसे ही नहीं था तो वेटर्स ने उसको यूँ ही धक्का दे के बाहर निकाल दिया. एक्चुअली इट वॉज अ रेस्टोरेंट फॉर द पीपल हु आर ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. ओके, सो ही एट हिज फिल. पूरा पेट भर खाया बट डिड नॉट पे. सो द वेटर्स थ्रू हिम आउट ऑफ द रेस्टोरेंट. देन ही ट्राइड by yelling and dancing here and there on the main square, okay, in front of the police. In front of a policeman, he tried to shout and dance, but the policeman thought him to be a drunkard. पुलिसमैन ने सोचा कि ये तो कोई ड्रंकार्ड है, ड्रंकन पर्सन है, शराब पी हुई है. तो उसने सोचा ये लोग नाउ द बॉयज ऑफ दीज डेज, बस ये करके छोड़ दिया कि आजकल के लड़के, आजकल के लोग. Then In the next plan of his, he stole an umbrella. See how many plans he have made. Just make a good list of it. कौन से नंबर पर कौन सा प्लान था. Then he stole an umbrella from a shop. क्या किया उसने? अम्ब्रेला चुराया. The man whose umbrella Sophie stole confessed that it did not belong to him. Even उसने भी ये कह दिया ये तो मैंने खुद ने भी किसी शॉप से लिया था. He himself found it, and even when Sophie started to shout, he said that if it was yours, you keep it. Okay? What did he say? If it is yours, you keep it. And Sophie could not do anything to get arrested this time too. So, Sophie lost all the hopes. अब उसकी सारी उम्मीदें खत्म हो गई थी. And in trying to get himself arrested, he lost all his hopes. He gave up. उसने तो प्रयास करना ही छोड़ दिए कि अब क्या कोशिश करना. Then he again reached to the place, means Madison Square, where he was sitting earlier. Madison Square पहुंचा. Then he stopped at a quiet corner. So when he reached to a quiet place at Madison Square, he saw that there was his childhood home. उसको अपना childhood home नजर आया. And he was lost in the memories of his mother, his childhood home, the sweet music that he heard, which was coming from the house. So Sophie knew that it was the anthem. When he heard that anthem, when he heard the music, he was lost in his childhood memories, the memories of his beloved mother. It reminded him of his beautiful and secure time that he spent with his family. बचपन याद आ गया उसको. His family, friends, relatives, good hopes, desires. अपना बचपन कितना अच्छा था ये सब उसे याद आने लगा. So he was suddenly filled with new hopes. उसने डिसाइड किया कि चलो अब लाइफ में मैं कुछ करूँगा. His spirit वो यहाँ उसकी आत्मा जाग जाती है कि चलो अब कुछ करना पड़ेगा मुझे. Are you getting my point? यहाँ उसने डिसाइड किया now I should do something to earn my livelihood, to earn money, to spend my life. Then he started planning about his future. अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में सोचने लगा. Then he reminded that one of his friends once asked him that he would provide him a job. उसने सोचा कि चलो कल जाके मैं उनसे मिल लूँगा. He would provide me a job. Then when he was thinking all these things, suddenly he felt a hand on his back. अचानक उसको लगा कि उसकी बॉडी पर किसी ने अपना हाथ रखा. He saw that there was a policeman, a cop, and he arrested Sophie. Now he arrested Sophie for loitering about without any purpose. बिना किसी पर्पस के इधर उधर घूम रहा था. He was wondering, उसको लगा पुलिसमैन को कि ये without any purpose ऐसे ही बैठा हुआ है. Okay? So he arrested him once again for having done nothing. अभी तो कुछ किया ही नहीं था, फिर भी पुलिस ने उसको अरेस्ट कर लिया. Then the next morning the judge declared the imprisonment on the Blackwell's Island, okay, in the prison. So this time judge did the rest. Fine? I hope you have understood. This is the irony of the situation. What is it? He was earlier he wanted to go to jail. Police did not arrest him. And now when he decided that he would try to change himself, he would spend his life in a better way. He would earn his livelihood. He would try to find a job and then Suddenly, the police arrested him and sent him to the jail once again.